Hi, in this video you will see how quickly and easily we can design and print labels. With Organizer Advantage, you can quickly print any labels. In the last lesson, I talked about the report feature. Our Print Labels window has a similar interface, so you can quickly learn how to use it. Let's take a look at sample labels that you can create in our Organizer Advantage. Print address labels from address books, identification stickers, or ID cards in contact managers. Create inventory tags and barcodes for your equipment tracking systems, or print price stickers for your store. We can design folder or document labels for your documents, spine labels, or barcode labels for your business, school, or personal book libraries. Now, we show how you can quickly design labels. Open the Label Report window from the Labels list box. Click New Labels. The main page displays information about the label report, data source, table name, label report name. In the Options section, define the scope. Print from the selected record on the grid, or print from the first record. Print one record or all records. Enter number of copies. Enter the starting position on the label sheet. And how many records have to be printed on a single label. On the Fields page, you decide what information will be included on the label. Highlight a field on the left side list, and click on the green arrow button. If you want to include next field in the same line, then press on the plus button. If you want to print a barcode label, select the field that represents a barcode, and then define barcode parameters on the barcode setup page. Select the field in the Included Fields box and choose Layout Settings. Choose Font Attributes. Define Justification. Define Properties. Skip blank fields. If checked, a blank line is not printed when a data field is blank. No text wrapping. Only the part of the text that fits into one line can be printed. On the Labels page, either select one of the predefined Avery labels or create a custom label type. We offer ready-to-use label layout for the most popular labels. There are over 50 predefined label types. Select the label, click Quick Preview, review the label. On the body page, select the font type, style, and size. Define margins for the label body text. All selected fields will use the same font settings. If you want some text to be identical on all labels, use a header-footer section. Enter your text into the box. Select the font type, style, and size. The left and rig margins define the location of the text. In our book library labels, we use this option to display the library name. If you want to include an image on your labels, use the logo page. Select the barcode parameters on the barcode settings page. The barcode setting includes two steps. On the Fields page, select the barcode data field, and then set the barcode attributes. Select the barcode type. Use code 39, it's the most popular type for barcoding applications. Choose the size in the height box. Hit Quick Preview to check the result. After you set your label layout options, click Quick Preview to preview changes. The Quick Preview displays only several records. To check the whole label report, hit Preview Labels. If you think you may want to use this label definition in the future, you can save your setting as a label template by clicking on the Save Labels button. Later, you can reuse the saved template by clicking on the Labels list box from the application main toolbar. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please visit our help system at www.primasoft.com.